Hi there, hope you're all doing well. This week for Zombicide Undead or Alive, I get started on the Abominations with the Alpha Bane to start off with. It was Black and White Zenithally Prime, but I get started with Noble Steed Brown for all of the fur. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You could also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. Next up, I get the lighter fur started with a reddish grey as the base colour. Since the chest has pretty much been ripped open on this mini, I base coated the area with Scarlett red. For all of the claws and bone spike things, I start off with a once over of burnt umber. As with all my current Zombicide minis, the base gets done with Plague Brown. Getting started on the highlights now, I used British Khaki to bring up all of the flat muscles around the mini. I tried to keep my brushstrokes going in a consistent direction just to try and emulate some fur. It worked out okay, not exactly how I intended, but it added some texture at least. Now to bring up the lighter fur with a highlight of warm grey. To add some variation to the bone parts and bring in the teeth, I grabbed Skeleton Legion. Since the blood effect I'm going to be using is translucent, I went over a few parts of the fleshy gore bits with Gory red, just to add some more variation to go underneath. Washing the Mini now, I thinned down some strong tone wash and went over everything. I would actually recommend probably using soft tone for this, but I don't seem to have any. I must have run out at some point. So this is the closest thing I had, just thinned down to get towards where I want it. As always, the base gets covered in sandy desert texture paste. To finish off the Mini, I used Vampire Thirst to add in some blood spatter over the hands and the torso. And that will be it for the Alpha Bane. If you haven't already guessed, the abominations are not going to be subject to the 20-minute limit for the minis. They are just too large to really achieve anything in that time, and I don't want to rush them too much. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. As always, if you want to take a closer look at this mini, check out my Instagram page. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.